Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Today we are going to talk about Madras High Court's comment on Election Commission. But before that, if you're watching this video on YouTube, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you're watching this video on Facebook, then please do like our page and share this video to as many people as possible. Let's begin today's video. The COVID-19 cases in the country have hit the roof, so much so that it has now invited world attention. When cases were continuously rising and touching new highs, many pointed to the fact that our political class, on the other hand, remained busy in election rallies, campaigning for their candidates. Amid the pandemic, India held 5 assembly elections. While in Assam, it stretched for 3 phases, in the state of West Bengal, which is high stake for both ruling TMC and the BJP, the polling was stretched across 8 phases. Apart from that, huge rallies for campaigning were allowed too. We saw crowds gathering for rallies, road shows, many of the people who participated almost maskless as if COVID was non-existent for them, hardly any regard for social distancing, and we also had Prime Minister praising the crowd size. COVID-appropriate behavior and guidelines were thrown out of the window. Well, the Election Commission, which is responsible for holding these elections, near the fag end of elections, did announce a warning asking political parties to adhere to COVID guidelines, but it was seen as a measure that did too little and it was too late. After Rahul Gandhi of Congress and Left Alliance scrapped their campaign in light of the rising COVID cases, national BJP leaders also followed the suit. Just a few days ago, Prime Minister Modi announced that he has also cancelled all his physical rallies in West Bengal. Now, many criticize the politicians for holding rallies inviting huge crowds. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress and the Congress Party questioned the Election Commission as to why the Bengal election was extended for up to 8 phases. Be it left parties or Mamata Banerjee, they have criticized the Election Commission for their decision. The BJP, however, accused them of blaming the referee because they were losing the election. However, today, in a scathing remark, even Madras High Court questioned the reasoning behind Election Commission's move. The Madras High Court was hearing a petition raising concerns over whether sufficient facilities are in place to ensure COVID-19 protocol during vote counting at the Karur constituency, where about 77 candidates are contesting the election. The High Court Chief Justice seemed visibly upset, so much so that he told the Election Commission's counsel that your institution, that is the Election Commission, is singularly responsible for the second wave of COVID-19 in the country. In a stinging critique of the Election Commission, the court further said that the officers of the Election Commission should probably be booked on the charges of murder. The Chief Justice of Madras High Court also observed that Commission had failed to enforce COVID norms regarding wearing of face masks, use of sanitizers and maintaining social distancing during the election campaigning despite the court orders. The Chief Justice further asked the Election Commission Counsel, were you on another planet when the election rallies were held? The court even went on to warn that it will stop the counting scheduled on May 2nd if the Election Commission of India does not put in place a blueprint of a plan to ensure following of COVID-19 protocol on the counting day. The Chief Justice added, public health is of paramount importance and it is distressing that constitutional authorities have to be reminded in such regard. It is only when a citizen survives that he will be able to enjoy the rights that a democratic republic guarantees. The bench then directed the Election Commission of India and the Tamil Nadu Chief Electoral Officer to hold consultation with the Health Secretary and come up with a plan on following COVID-19 protocol on the day of counting. It will review the preparedness on April 30th. However, as I said, this is not the first time that Election Commission was criticized for failing to ensure adherence to COVID protocols by politicians, candidates, etc. With regards to West Bengal, where both the BJP and TMC drew large crowds, the concerns regarding COVID spread was more. Now, unfortunately, the fear seems to be coming true. According to the report in the Times of India, the COVID-19 cases in Kolkata alone have seen a 5-fold jump since the beginning of the month. One of 2 persons undergoing RT-PCR test in Kolkata and its suburbs is turning out to be COVID positive. In the rest of the state, 1 of 4 RT-PCR report is COVID positive. At the beginning of the month, there were only 1 of 20 tests which were turning out to be positive. Now, if we talk about this in terms of data, then of the 25,766 samples tested in the state on April 1st, only 1,274 samples were positive, which is a positivity of 4.9%. On Saturday, that is the last Saturday, over 55,000 samples were tested across the state and 25.9% samples, which means 14,281 persons were positive. Several labs across the state have also reported positivity of 50% in the samples they are testing. As far as West Bengal is concerned, with more than 14,200 new cases, West Bengal witnessed the highest surge in COVID-19 tally in a month on Saturday. So tell us in the comment box below whether you agree to the Madras High Court statement or not. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. Also, a very small request to all of our viewers. Thank you so much, first of all, for making us reach the milestone of 2 lakh subscribers. If you want to support us further, then we have launched a membership drive on our YouTube channel, HW News English. You can click on the join button. You will get to know about the levels of membership that we offer, and the perks and benefits under each level of membership will be explained to you in the video that is following. So please do support us, do join the membership. Thank you so much.